Hello everyone, RapidRock2000 here, and I think it's time we all learn a very much needed lesson in grammar. And today I'm covering the subject of there, and there. Today I'm going to teach you the difference between there, and there. Not only that, but I'm going to settle this argument once and for all. The great and ultimate battle, the ultimate grammar battle, that's been going on for centuries and centuries. I'm here to put this to a stop once and for all. Now, let's start off with there. There represents a location or the existence of an object or person. For example, let's say there was a rat who bit a cat. There implies the existence of a rat who bit a cat. The cat was already there in the first place, but there implies the existence of the rat. Now, there's also another type of there that defines the existence of a location. It goes a little something like, you can find it over there in the corner. Now this special type of there implies the existence of a location. In this case, it implies the existence of the corner. You can find it over there in the corner. The there implies the existence of corner. Now let's move on to there. There implies the existence of a group of people. There also implies the existence of a group of people, but in a different type of way. There specializes it like this. She stole their cookie. There implies the existence of a group of people, as in she, whoever they are, stole the group of persons' cookie. She, whoever they are, stole the group of people's cookie. That's what there implies. It also implies it was theirs to begin with. The there in this sentence states that something, the existence of an object, was the group of persons to begin with, as in the object or something belonged to the group of people in the first place. Now let's move on to there. This also implies a group of people, but in a different way, like this. They're just warming up. There implies the existence of a group of people who are warming up for like a theatrical activity or sport. Now, the there implies the group of people that had possession of something. This type of there represents a group of people doing an action. Like this. They're going to see the show. Again, I'll state it again. This type of there represents a group of people who had possession of an object. This type of there represents a group of people doing a specific action. Like, she stole their cookie, meaning that the group of persons or people was in possession of the cookie. It was theirs to begin with, meaning that a group of people had possession of an object in the first place. Their just warming up implies that there's a group of people warming up for something like an activity. They're going to see the show implies that there's a group of people leaving to see a show. Now, let's review, shall we? There was a rat who bit a cat. The there implies the existence of an object, person, or location. The there in this sentence implies the existence of a rat. The there in this sentence implies the existence of a location, as in you can find it over there in the corner. The there represents a group of people who had possession of an object. For example, she stole their cookie. It was theirs to begin with. The there represents a group of people doing a specific action or thing, as in they're just warming up. They're going to see the show. To put it simply, once more, before I end this video, there implies the existence of a person or location. There implies a group of people who had possession of an object, and there represents a group of people who are going to do a specific action. And that there is the difference between there, and there. End of story.